me when I reach the other side, west of where the sun sets, where rainbows never die.